Okay, today we're looking at both the Raycon Everyday Earbuds and also the Raycon Everyday Protective Case, which comes with the earbuds. You're going to see that shortly. We'll start with the Everyday Earbuds. As you can see, they're just here. Now, I love the color and design straight away. Look at that lovely light blue color. Does it look beautiful? And there's a bit more about the earbuds on the side there about active noise cancelling, IP66, and the awareness mode. So we're going to take a look at it. So nice packaging. I like their branding as well. Power up. There's a bit more about kind of the earbuds there and what they do. Instruction guide. So here they are here. Now look at that. Isn't that a nice small case? Now there it is compared to the size of my hand or against the size of my finger. And there it is there. So it's very, very small, very, very light as well. So I can't wait to look at it. Let's see what else comes in the box quickly too. Bonjour, hello, hola. It's quite nice to have that there. And in the box you've also got your USB-C charging cable as well. Just there to charge it. And you've got your ear tips as well. So different ear tips depending on the fit that you want. Very, very nice. Just going to take a look at the actual earbuds themselves. So here they are just here. So these come with 32 hours of battery life. Add the earbuds and you get 24 hours in the case as well, which is great. There, earbuds there. Now isn't that a beautiful design? Look at them just there. So there they are there. So the bud design, as you can see there, there's got two microphones just there in the earbuds. And there you've got the different tips as well. So they sit in the ears just like that. Now they feel really nice and light as well, which I really like. Just going to take a look at both of them. So move the case to the side. Here are the earbuds themselves. So they feel very light, which I think is fantastic. Again, IP66, so dust and waterproof, which is great. They both have active noise cancellation as well, so you can really immerse yourself in the environment. And there's a logo there, but look at the design, isn't it beautiful? I love the design, and there's the mics as well in there, how they fit in the ears. You can also control them by the touch on the side there too. So yeah, look very, very nice. Now put it back in the actual case as what came with it. So there's the case. You can see you've got the case with a light on, saying the case is active. You've also got the blue and red as well on the earbuds when they're charging. They're magnetic too, so you can't tip them over like that. They've also got multi-point connection as well, and you can also charge them via Q wireless, so you can actually charge them on wireless pads. But there they are there. Don't they look like a lovely pair of earbuds, left and right? The Raycon brand on there as well.